Behind the light that brightens the world, there are individuals who diligently work to transmit electricity. Since 1988, Taili has been deeply rooted in the field of electrical safety and energy conservation with the goal of safety, innovation, and excellence. Over the past 3 decades, Taili has independently developed high-voltage products such as grid-connected transformers for wind and photovoltaic renewable energy, high-efficiency power transformers, switchgear, and high-voltage vacuum circuit breakers, etc. These products are qualified with certifications of ASTA, CAM, CNAS, ISO 9001, SGS, TUV, and others. Our design production team has at least 20 years of experience. Innovative design, optimization, and customization is a major feature of Taili. Power and distribution transformers. From the selection of iron cores to the final assembly of transformers, we treat every step with utmost caution and precision. In this dynamic and innovative workshop, every moment gives birth to new electrical equipment. We deliver every transformer with utmost care, providing our clients with reliable and more economical investment options. Switchgears and transformer substations. Intelligent CNC machine tool equipment improves the quality and precision of every component, carefully selects every batch of qualified and high-quality components, and pays attention to every detail in production, processing, assembly, and debugging. This is the key to Taili's strict control of high-quality output. Vacuum circuit breakers. It is main core of controlling electrical equipment. We offer customized designs and production of various models and specifications, with voltage ranging from 6 kV to 36 kV, and currents from 630 amperes to 3,150 amperes. A commitment to delivering quality, energy efficient, and highly effective turnkey projects stands as Taili's guarantee to our clients worldwide. The glow of Taili's innovation illuminates over 80 countries, earning it a prestigious recognition from numerous power utilities and industry. Constantly innovating, we strive for excellence, driven solely by the pursuit of more personalized and professional services. Each of our products embodies the aspirations and hopes of Taili team.